Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today we're gonna figure out with the new update from DJI how good is the quality of the footage with ND filters. There behind you can see the volcano, there you can see the ocean, and here in my pocket are the ND filters. We start with 8. Ah, my skin. Is this clear? Yeah, it's clear. Ah, damn. I have the issue with my footage that when I'm driving, that the background so 30-50 meters away feels blocky, not sharp. I don't know what is the issue. So I have to try it. Test every day different settings. That is coming, the slow car. Let's get him. Let's get this little motherfucker. From 8 to 16. Just clean it, little bitch. Geht es im zweiten Gang? Geht. have to say I'm very surprised that they are finally hold with this mechanic. Jesus. Ach, ja, hier war auch dieser Abfuck. So Bodenfall vor der Kurve. Ah, das war hier, ich wusste es. Fick dich! Scheiß Bodenwelle! Ah, Digga, sie vor das rechte Ei. Aber ein bisschen hässlich, muss ich sagen. Better footage quality. I mean, I rode the same street a month ago before the update, so maybe I can just put on a double screen with the old footage and the new footage, and at least you can instantly see it by the clouds. How good is the quality by the depth? Enjoy your life, enjoy your week, have a nice day, we see us, bye bye.